As the world rapidly shifts towards automation, the age-old debate rages on: will AI replace jobs or create new ones? The truth, however, lies somewhere in between, and Indian professionals need to be aware of the evolving landscape. Firstly, AI will automate routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up human capital to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This, in turn, will lead to the emergence of new job categories that we can't even imagine yet. For instance, AI will create a demand for data scientists, AI ethicists, and digital transformation consultants. Secondly, AI will augment human capabilities, not replace them. As AI takes over mundane tasks, humans will focus on high-value tasks that require empathy, creativity, and problem-solving skills. This is particularly relevant for Indian professionals who are already known for their adaptability and resilience. Thirdly, upskilling and reskilling will be the key to survival in the AI-driven economy. Professionals who can leverage AI, machine learning, and data analytics will be in high demand, while those who fail to adapt will be left behind. To stay ahead of the curve, join the Finaixram community and subscribe to our weekly newsletter at rzp.io/rzp/tmibq4.